Are you ready to take the barbecue season to the next level, but you don't know which Boretti gas barbecue suits you best? My name is Jimmy, and in this video, I'll tell you all about the cooking surface, the number of main burners, and the side burner, so that you can make your choice more easily and start grilling right away. The cooking surface is simply the space on which you grill. The larger that plate or grill, the more guests you can serve at the same time, and the more dishes you can place side by side. Useful if family or a whole group of friends comes over, because then you can make much more in one round. Do keep in mind that a large barbecue needs a bit longer to reach the right temperature. So you can't start lightning fast, but you do keep a good overview when it's busy. The main burners are the gas burners under the grate and determine how many zones you can use at the same time. With more burners, you can control the heat for each section of the grill, letting you cook different types of dishes at the same time. If you choose 4 main burners, you turn them on independently and set them separately, so that you can, for example, cook chicken, vegetables, and bread each in its own place and temperature. A side burner is a separate burner on the side table where you can cook independently of the main grill. With it, you can heat up a sauce or make a side dish without the grill filling up. The great thing is that your main dishes can continue to cook slowly while you let a pan simmer on the side. So you don't have to shift things around, and so everything is ready at the same time, without a lack of space. At Boretti, design is also a high priority, because of course it also has to look good in your garden or on your balcony. Gas barbecues are generally a bit larger and bulkier for your garden, while a charcoal barbecue has a more subtle design that's also easier to put away. They found a solution for that at Boretti. The Adiccio model has the look and feel of the Roletto charcoal barbecue, but with the convenience of gas. Ideal if you like a more subtle design, but want to have your food ready quickly. Now you know what to look out for and how to choose more quickly between the different Boretti models. Enough space for your company, sufficient cooking zones for your plans, and possibly that extra burner on the side for your sauces. Whether you often eat with a group or mainly want to cook compactly, with these points you can make a targeted comparison. I hope this video has helped you decide which Boretti gas barbecue suits you best. Enjoy your meal.